Hello students, one more video on register and style in business English. In business English, register refers to the specific language variety. Important thing is that which is specific language variety used in a particular social situation, while style refers to the overall tone and approach used in communication. So, tone and approach, that is, tone and approach is style, right? And language variety, is register, and tone and approach is, that is, style. Register is about choosing the right vocabulary, grammar, and tone for the context, like formal for a business report or informal for a quick chat. While style encompasses broader choices in how the message is conveyed, including clarity, conciseness, and reader focus. So, register in business English specifically involves using the appropriate level of formality and terminology for the intended audience and purpose. For example, a formal register is expected in a contract or a formal presentation, while a more informal presentation, right? While a more informal register might be acceptable in an internal email to colleagues. If I simplify what is register, you just imagine 4 5 audience or friends or whomsoever. How? In one situation, imagine that you are giving presentation to the colleagues in your organization, within your organization. In B situation, you are giving presentation outside the organization. And in C presentation, you are giving presentation where some guests have come to your organization. So in A situation, amongst your colleague, you can be informal, right? And in B situation, where you are outside, so that you are unfamiliar, unacquainted with many, that's why you are in thoroughly formal situation. And in C situation, where some guests have come to your organization and then you are giving presentation, is that some are your colleagues and some are from outside. In that situation, that is, you can use formal and informal standard language. Sometime you can give even example through informal sentences, vocabulary and all. This is register. So register means appropriate level of formality, है ना? आप कितनी किस लेवल तक फ्रीडम ले सकते हो, प्रिविलेज ले सकते हो बोलने का, और किस लेवल तक आपको फॉर्मेलिटी मेंटेन करना है, दैट अप्रोप्रिएट लेवल. वो आपको बहुत कैजुअल हो के अगर आप कभी फॉर्मल सिचुएशन में बात करते हो तो देन इट गोज़ रॉन्ग. वाई? बिकॉज आप बहुत ज़्यादा इनफॉर्मल हो गए तो यू कैन नॉट, आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी ख़त्म हो सकती है, कम हो सकती है, राइट. सो दैट इज़ वाई यू हैव टू मेंटेन प्रोफेशनलिज्म, प्रोफेशनल एटीट्यूड, राइट. यू कैन नॉट बी मच इनफॉर्मल, है ना. तो आपको तय करना है कि हाउ whom you are addressing, right. Your audience is formal. How uh, like what kind of privilege you can take, कितना प्रिविलेज, हाउ लॉन्ग, हाउ मच प्रिविलेज यू कैन टेक, कि भाई आप इस एग्जाम्पल से नहीं तो कुछ स्लैंग्स बता दोगे, कुछ नॉर्मल कोई इंसिडेंट, पर्सनल इंसिडेंट शेयर. दैट लिबर्टी यू हैव टू डिसाइड हाउ मच लिबर्टी यू कैन टेक फॉर योर ऑडियंस, है ना. व्हाट इज़, हाउ मच प्रोफेशनल, लेस प्रोफेशनल, और लाइक कैजुअल और लेस कैजुअल. इस तरह से जो वो है, what we can say, that scale you have to decide, that is register. Whereas style is what? Style in business English is about crafting clear, concise and reader focused communication. Which kind of crafting? कैसा मैसेज क्राफ्ट करना? दैट इज क्लियर, concise and reader focused communication. Means ultimate purpose is communication, it should be very clear. Sometime you can give example of your family if you are in informal situation, but when you are in formal situation it will go wrong. So that is why you have to take another example. So that ultimate purpose is that your communication must be very clear, concise and reader focus. जो रीडर फोकस्ड है या ऑडियंस फोकस्ड है, जो आपको सुन रहे हैं या आपको पढ़ रहे हैं, उनके अकॉर्डिंग आपका स्टाइल, नरेटिव स्टाइल वैसा होना चाहिए कि आप कैसा नरेशन करते हो, कैसे किस स्टाइल में बात करते हो, लहजे में बात करते हो, कि आपका अल्टीमेटली मैसेज शुड बी कन्वेड क्लियरली और प्रॉपरली. दिस इंक्लूड्स यूजिंग प्लेन लैंग्वेज, राइट. कहीं कहीं हम बिल्कुल प्लेन लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं. अवॉइडिंग जार्गन, राइट. वी शुड नॉट यूज़ टेक्निकल टर्म्स. जितने जार्गन्स आर फॉर क्लास एंड नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज इज़ फॉर मास. तो मास को अगर आप एड्रेस कर रहे हो तो डोंट यूज़ एग्जाम्पल डोमेन स्पेसिफिक एग्जाम्पल वेयर पॉसिबल, एंड अडॉप्टिंग एन एक्टिव वॉइस, है ना. स्टाइल में पैसिव वॉइस भी होती है बट एक्टिव वॉइस भी होती है. इट इंक्लूड्स प्लेन लैंग्वेज, अवॉइडिंग जार्गन वेयर पॉसिबल एंड अडॉप्टिंग एक्टिव वॉइस. एक्टिव वॉइस इज़ व्हाट? सब्जेक्ट पहले रखना है, फिर वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. मीन्स इम्पॉर्टेंस शुड बी गिवन टू सब्जेक्ट. वाई? क्योंकि आप किस स्टाइल में बोल रहे हो, तो सम टाइम यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन द डूअर, right. So in that case active voice should be used. However here it is not written, but passive voice is also used for style. Okay. Now register, how many types of register? There are 3 types of register, right. Formal, neutral, informal. Okay. So formal, used in official document, of course, legal agreements, formal presentation, and when addressing senior manager or external stakeholders. जहाँ भी फॉर्मल सिचुएशंस हैं वहाँ डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में ख़ास तौर पे, तो वहाँ लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट, लीगल केसेस में आप फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन या फॉर्मल रजिस्टर यूज़ करते हैं हम सब. और इनफॉर्मल में यूज इन कैजुअल कन्वर्जेशन, इंटरनल टीम मीटिंग्स, कि भाई डिपार्टमेंटल मीटिंग होती है हमारी, तो बहुत सारा वी डू, सम टाइम वी डू लाइक वी लाफ, है ना, एंड वेरी स्मॉल जोक इवन सम टाइम वी कैन क्रैक इट, एंड फ्री लैंग्वेज वी यूज़. and less formal communication, often incorporating contractions, sometime colloquialism, sometime we use colloquial language, contraction, short uh, abbreviations we use. So that is informal. Then neutral, used in most business communication, that is neither formal nor informal, like internal memos, reports, and emails, aiming for clarity and objectivity. Objectivity, it's impersonal, है ना, personal and impersonal. When you are not too much personal and your purpose is clarity, right? So that sometime little liberty you can take. And neutral register means according to ultimate purpose is your message should be dropped, conveyed. So then sometime you can take liberty and use informal language, vocabulary, grammar, examples, right? That is called neutral register. Now moving to style. Style, what is the style? That should be clear, concise, reader focus, professional, right? Active voice, plain language. कैसा? Clear, avoids ambiguity and uses language that is easy to understand. Naturally, don't show your expertise. We should use very easy language. Concise, gets to the point quickly and avoids unnecessary words or phrases, right? So then don't try to attract, don't try to decorate or show your expertise. Instead, we should use we should move quickly and talk point wise, right? We should avoid unnecessary uh, detail, right? Words and phrases. Then reader focus, considers the needs and expectations of the audience or readers. You have to understand what audience want, right? And that what's their need and expectation from you. So accordingly you can use your style, reader focus style. Then professional, maintains a confidence and courteous tones. कंपनीज के जितने भी स्पीचेस या कुछ होती है तो उनका स्टाइल बड़ा ही प्रोफेशनल होता है, वो बहुत दे यूज प्रोफेशनल एटीट्यूड. Active voice, use active voice to make writing more direct and easier to understand. So sometimes passive voice is not used. Active voice is easy. So that active voice means when importance is given to the subject. Then plain language, avoids, this style avoids jargon and technical terms. We should not use technical terms more and more when the audience may not be familiar with them. It is quite possible that everyone does not know scientific terms, everyone astronauts, so many things. So we don't know, we are familiar with common terms, not specific. So jargon should be avoided, and technical terms should be avoided. Instead, simple words should be used. So by understanding and applying the appropriate register and style, business professional can ensure their communication is effective, है ना? So finally our communication must be effective, professional and appropriate for the specific context, and that it should be appropriate in that particular context. So that is a little video on register and style. Thank you so much. God bless you.